Everyone keeps saying data science is in demand, but most people don't actually understand why. It's not hype, it's economics. Every company today runs on decisions, and every decision depends on data. The problem? There's more data being generated right now than at any point in human history, but most of it is useless unless someone knows how to extract value from it. That's the gap, and data science sits exactly in the middle of that gap, turning raw information into decisions that directly impact revenue, cost, and growth. Think about it this way. Companies don't pay for data. They pay for outcomes. They want to know which customers will buy, which ones will leave, what price will maximize profit, and where the next opportunity is. Without data science, they guess. And guessing at scale is expensive. But with data science, they can predict behavior, optimize strategies, and reduce risk. Same business, same resources, but completely different results. That's why companies are aggressively hiring people who can work with data, not just to analyze it, but to actually drive decisions from it. Now here's where it gets more serious. This demand isn't limited to tech companies. Healthcare uses data to predict diseases and improve treatment. Finance uses it to detect fraud and manage risk. Retail uses it to personalize shopping experiences. Even sports teams use data to improve performance and strategy. Data science isn't a niche skill anymore. It's becoming a core function across industries. And the reason is simple. Every industry is becoming data-driven, whether they like it or not. And then AI enters the picture and takes everything to another level. Data science is the foundation of AI. Without data, AI doesn't exist. The models you hear about, the automation, the predictions, they all rely on structured data and the ability to learn from it. Which means as AI grows, the demand for data science doesn't just stay high, it increases. Companies don't just need people who can use AI tools. They need people who understand how those systems work underneath. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people ignore. Just learning Python or running a few models doesn't make you valuable. The market is flooded with people who know tools but don't understand problems. What companies actually want are people who can connect data to business impact. People who can take a messy problem, break it down, analyze it, and deliver a result that matters. That's rare. And that's exactly why the demand stays high. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't to push you toward trends. It's to help you understand why those trends exist. Because once you understand why data science is in demand, you stop chasing buzzwords and start building real skills. And that's the difference between someone who follows opportunities and someone who actually knows how to create them.